Welcome to our Zoom call, Improving Your Workspace, Quick Fixes for Working from Home. Just kidding. We're actually not in a Zoom call. We're making a video about working from home and making it work for you. I'm Porter Knight and my business is Productivity Vermont. Since 1996, I've been teaching people how to get organized and be more productive at work. As if it isn't hard enough to concentrate, with the neighbor's dog barking, or maybe it's your dog, with the UPS guy knocking on the door, because we're all ordering tons of stuff online these days, or with a child having a meltdown in the background while you're on a call, or maybe it's your partner who's also trying to work from home. There you are, trying to work, surrounded by clutter, or on your bed, or with stuff falling off the table. We need solutions. Before we look for solutions, it's important to start with a little self-compassion. This has been an incredibly disruptive time. Give yourself a break and acknowledge that you have been getting it done, despite everything. I like to say we're all doing the best we can with the resources available at the time. Give yourself permission to invest in yourself. It's okay to take the time to make a few changes so that your workspace supports you and so you feel good there. Creating a workspace you can feel good in is actually a legitimate part of work, and it will make you work better because you'll feel more professional and will be better able to focus. The space doesn't have to be perfect, but let's look for whatever small changes you can make that will improve your work experience. So where are people working if they're working from home? Some of you may have dedicated workspaces, but a lot of people are camping out in living spaces not designed to support work. Let's first talk about the challenges of working from a bedroom. If you're trying to work in a bedroom, it's especially important to clear clutter. You need to clear the clutter so you can focus on your work, so you can feel professional. You also need to clear the clutter so you can sleep and feel relaxed. Give yourself permission to take time every day to pack and unpack work supplies, to be intentional about boundaries. Consider this your daily commute. Spend 15 minutes clearing clutter and tidying the bedroom before you go to work by setting up your laptop and getting out any materials you need. Then at the end of your workday, pack your office into a box or tub and set it aside. Look for ways to be upright, even if only periodically. It changes your energy. It's hard to be focused and professional when you're lounging on your pillows. Consider putting a chair in front of your bed so you can sit, or better yet, stand all the way up. Use a dresser or a shelf to put your materials and laptop on, or stack a tub on the bed and put your laptop on that. Some folks are working from a common living space like a kitchen, dining room, or TV room. Like in bedrooms, it's especially helpful to have a commute practice of setting up your workspace in the morning and packing it away in the evenings. This defining of boundaries will help you mentally transition in and out of the workday. Look for ways to take advantage of upright space in common rooms as well, using boxes or tubs to elevate your laptop, using file folders to hold papers. Try some of these quick fixes yourself. Start a daily commute process where you take 15 minutes at the beginning of the day to clear the clutter in your home and set up your workspace, and 5 minutes at the end of the day to pack away your work things. Take advantage of upright space whenever possible, whether that means just standing up yourself when you're working at your laptop, or raising or elevating the surface of your laptop, or containing the materials and supplies that you have in upright containers. And most importantly, be gentle with yourself. Acknowledge that these are challenging times and recognize that you're doing the best you can with the resources available at the time. With these quick fixes, I hope you can make remote working not just work, but work for you.